So a lot of people have been wondering, you know, how did I just pop up? Where have I been all these years? And I want to tell you, I've been around. So back in the 90s, before YouTube, before Instagram, before Facebook, we had websites. So I owned and created weddinghair.com. So everyone's impressed with 10,000 followers on YouTube. Weddinghair.com had 10,000 unique followers every single day. And that was the pride and joy of my life at that time. And in 2005, I left the industry. I left the industry for close to 15 years. My husband and I own a mental health practice and a coaching practice, and I worked with him, alongside him. He changed careers in his early 40s, and we both left our careers and we went and did something new. So for a decade, we lived as residential counselors. During those years, working with highly traumatized people, addictions of all kinds, from eating disorder to drugs, and some horrific lifestyles that are the result of childhood sexual trauma. That was my role, was to bring those women back into life, to find out who they were, to walk them through some of the deeper inner healing pain. And it was an adventure. It was an honor. And I gave the female residents makeovers at graduation. When I came back about a year and a half ago, I really wanted to get back into doing the updos and teaching. I desperately miss it. I cannot be behind the chair. When we were away during that season, we had a bad car accident, so I cannot stand on my feet for very long. And so I knew I had to get back online. And so that's where I am now. So I've just finished about a year's worth of work, at least, working on learning the new boho looks, learning what the pain points are for the stylist, what's different in the hairdressing schools now than when I went, what's being taught, what's not being taught, and how can I bring my training into today, and also all the mental conversation training, all the information about empathy with the client, listening to the client, drawing out the shy client, calming down the nervous client. 85% of your success is dealing with the client and matching the hairstyle, shifting the photo so that it is unique for her. It's not about the hair. That is 15% of the results. So when we do the photo and we turn them around and they don't like it, and we're confused, or there's too many bobby pins, or we're not quite sure how to attack this picture. We might go to a class and learn 1 or 2 updos, but then we get a client that doesn't have the same hair. And how do we alter it? And so Updo System has a system and a track to run on that has particular ways of asking questions, sectioning the head, building the hairstyle. And I've taken all of my tricks from the ponytail updos into today, so there's less bobby pins. Go through it in order. Don't jump ahead to all the hairstyle tutorials, because it's so important that you understand how to be empathetic with your clients, how to read your clients, how to take her fantasy and bring it into reality, how to work with a photo when she doesn't have the hair. It's a way of wooing and nurturing that relationship for success. So it's $9 a month, which is absolutely doable for everyone. I hope to see you in updosystem.com membership. And my name is Gretchen Mauer, and thanks for hearing my story.